We've been working with Jenn Falik and MorningSave.com to bring you guys the absolute coolest cutting edge products. Check it out.
Hey Rachel, we have got some great products for you today. So we are gonna start with this. This is no ordinary umbrella. This right here is the reverse umbrella, compact umbrella, and our deal is for a 2-pack. So what makes this umbrella so special is that it actually has an inverted design, so it closes away from you to ensure that you stay dry. So this innovation is so smart because you're not gonna get a drop of water on you when you close your umbrella to get in the car, when you go in your house. Everything's gonna stay dry. It also automatically opens and closes with a push button release, and it is so easy to use. I love the compact size too. You can throw this in a bag, you can go in your car. We've got 5 different sets of designs, so there's something for everybody. There's so many to choose from. So the manufacturer's suggested retail price on this is $20 each. So for a set of 2, that would be $40. But today, we have got the set of 2 for you for just $20 total. So that's 50% off. Next up, we are bringing some sparkle. This is the Diamond Muse 1 carat total weight martini link tennis bracelet. So tennis bracelets are trending big time right now. I mean, I think they're truly timeless. I feel like it's something that you can always wear. You can always work in with other pieces, but specifically I feel like this spring, everyone is all about the tennis bracelet. So we've got this in white gold plated, rose gold plated, or yellow gold plated, all over sterling silver. I love that this one features round diamonds in a prong setting. It's just beautiful. It feels a little bit unique with the kind of angles of the setting and nice and sparkly. I'm layering 3 today. It comes in this really pretty gift box. You know, Diamond Muse tennis bracelets have been a customer favorite on MorningSave, and they sell out as quickly as they can get them in. So if you have your eye on this, you definitely want to act fast. MorningSave works directly with the vendor to get the very best price, and then they pass those savings right on to you. We've seen bracelets just like these sold for as much as $856, but we've got them for you for just $129 each. So that's 85% off. If you're giving this as a gift, this is a perfect accessory to add into their accessory collection. Now, our next product is also a real gem. This is the Luce 4T Therapy Microcurrent Facial Wand. I love this because it is so tiny. A lot of the time, facial tools can be really big and bulky, but this is basically like the size of a razor. And I'm a big fan of microcurrent technology. It's something that I use a lot in my own skincare routine, so I love that this does microcurrent, but also does a lot more. So it uses 4 types of therapy. You get microcurrent, and that's gonna help stimulate the muscles to create elastin and collagen. It also has LED photo rejuvenation therapy, and that uses red light technology to help treat wrinkles and scars. Sonic vibration therapy, so that helps to enhance circulation and promote collagen production. And it also has heat therapy, so that's going to increase blood flow in the skin, and it helps your skincare products absorb so much better and reach deeper into the layers of the skin. Plus, something else that I love and have to mention is that Luce is a minority female-owned company, and it gives back to environmental charities, so you can feel great about this purchase. Now, we've seen this sold for as much as $99, but we've got it today for just $49, so that's 51% off. It's truly a great multitasker, charges quickly, and it's super effective. Finally, our last product today, this right here is the Olympia Harmony Wheeled Tote. It's a 19-inch rolling duffel, so it is the perfect carry-on size, and it's got multiple zip pockets, a water bottle pocket, and a top handle. So this is the kind of thing that you could roll through the airport, or you could just pick up and carry it with you. I love that it's lightweight. It makes me crazy when a bag is heavy before you even put anything inside of it, but this is super light, so you can fill it up to the brim and it's still easy to move around. The team at MorningSave called their friends at Olympia, which is a great high-quality brand, and they delivered for you. So the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this item is $200, but we've got this bag for you for just $49. That's 76% off. This is a great deal on something that right now we're not finding many deals on. So 76% off. This is your ultimate summer, spring, year-round getaway travel bag. Now remember, these deals are all available only while supplies last at MorningSave.com.